Hey, it's Hannah with WTI, and I love a good boho house find. And this set of beautiful kitchen towels is the perfect thing to add in your kitchen.
I have been redecorating in my kitchen and adding these beautiful kitchen towels from Qpenm have really just elevated the space. I love how well made these are. They are fade resistant and machine washable, and they just have the most beautiful abstract floral pattern. It is such a beautiful touch of boho, and I just really love the quality of these. They are fantastic for drying dishes, drying your hands, or even just using as decoration, but they work so well as a good towel that you'll want to use them all the time.
These kitchen towels are absolutely gorgeous. I love the different colors, the texture, and that is my point of view.